It's frozen around. The temperature is minus 40. It is really hard to go around if you don't have car or warm clothes. It's a lot of snowfall last few weeks. People are actually struggling with cleaning their yard. So it's hard for the people in this kind of situation. Look at it. This is the single path to go into the apartment or the house. And even this is where I'm walking right now. It's a footpath and the road is over there. You can see the car is parked over there. So I'm sharing with you how it looks like. Even people cannot clean all the way around because it is really hard work. And most of the seniors after 65 or 70, they sell their house because they cannot maintain the snow cleanup. It's expensive by doing and hiring somebody else, and it is really hard work and needs a lot of muscle strength to clean up your backyard. So that's the main reason the seniors of this country, they sell their house because of this. Look at the piles of snow, few feet of snow around. Look at how the car is going. Even it is not easy to drive. The roads are actually very slippery. So look at the fire hydrant is almost sinking in the snow. So you have an idea how it looks like around in Canada in this harsh winter, especially in December, January, and February. So thanks for being with me. Bye bye.